Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we will be looking at the stray vacancy round details for KS Hegde Medical Academy located in Karnataka. But before going into today's topic, I want to bring something for candidates preparing for NEET UG 2021. So this is called Unacademy Combat. This is nothing but a fortnightly contest conducted by Unacademy for NEET aspirants. So this is conducted every fortnight on Sunday. You will be provided with some challenging NEET questions and you will be competing with some of the best candidates across the country. So you will be getting real-time ranking of your performance in reference to other candidates. And after the contest is completed, a detailed video solution will be provided by the top educators of an academy. The enrollment for this combat is completely free. If you are interested in this particular combat, I will provide a link to this in the description below this video. You can click the link and then sign up. While you sign up, please use the code JustGetMBBS. In addition to the practice you get by taking these practice questions, you also get some attractive prizes like 1 month Unacademy subscription or Amazon gift card. This is the syllabus for the upcoming combat. The contest will go live at 11 a.m. and it will go until 12:15 p.m. There will be 28 questions which you have to answer in 75 minutes. 28 questions will be split into 4 sections of 7 questions each from physics, chemistry, zoology, and botany. So if you like this contest and if you want to be part of this, please sign up. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to use the referral code JustGetMBBS. Now let me get back to the video. The number of vacancies for stray round is 8 seats available under NRI category and 2 seats available under general management category. Now you need to submit an application form. So this is the format of the application form. You need to fill the name of the candidate. You need to indicate what category you are applying for, what is your NEET All India rank, NEET score, name of the school in which you have passed class 12, physics, chemistry, and biology aggregate percentage in class 12, what is your contact number and email ID. So this is the form you need to fill and you need to email to strayvacancy.mbbs@nitte.edu.in. You need to email to strayvacancy.mbbs@nitte.edu.in. This is the email ID to which you need to send the application form. Send the enclosures. 2 enclosures you need to scan and send. 1, your class 12 marks sheet. Number 2, your NEET scorecard. You need to fill the application, attach the scanned copy of class 12 mark sheet and NEET scorecard and send to the email ID. Now, what is the schedule for the stray vacancy round? You need to send the application latest by 12th January 2 p.m. So the application or email should reach KS Hegde Medical Academy by 2 p.m. on 12th January 2021. Once they receive the applications, they will prepare a merit list by rank and then they will publish the merit list by 3 p.m. on 12th January. And then the stray vacancy counseling will be happening for NRI candidates on 13th January 3 p.m. So if you are applying for NRI category, you need to come to KS Hegde Medical Academy on 13 January before 3 p.m. Any seats that are vacant at the end of NRI counseling will be added to the general management counseling seats. The counseling for general management will be happening on 14 January at 3 p.m. So if you are interested in the general management category, you need to go to KS Hegde Medical Academy on 14 January before 3 p.m. Now, what is the venue? The counseling venue is KS Hegde Medical Academy, Deralakatte, Mangalore. The candidate should be physically present along with all the required original documents and prescribed fees in the form of DD or NEFT. Now, what is the fees like? The fees for first year is 15,41,500 for management category, and then 32,11,000 for NRI category. You need to pay these by demand draft favoring NITTE deemed to be university, payable at Mangalore. You can also transfer the money through NEFT or RTGS. The details of the bank to which the NEFT or RTGS has to be done is given here. I suggest you to take a DD so that in case if you get a seat, you can give the DD and make the payment of the fees. In case, unfortunately, if you don't get a seat, you can take back the DD and then immediately you can get a refund from the bank. So that's the better one by taking a DD. So those are the details I wanted to share. I hope this is useful to you. My best wishes to you. I see you soon in some other video. Bye bye.